Hello everybody, today we'll be doing a quick exercise in drawing a very famous tux or Linux penguin. So when you have your pencils all set, we will draw a circle, a bigger circle right there, and then we will just form a shape right around. So the idea is that this is essentially a penguin that is sitting down. So and then just put in a part of the hand there as if it's resting on something. This part of the hand also rests here somewhere, but we will first go into the head and just finish off the beak. So it's all just shapes. That is the basic shape, I believe. And then round nice pair of eyes. You could color those in, leaving that little white tint. And then the mouth itself, I think just straight with that smile. From here on it's white. I think there's a bit of indent in the chest area here. Personally don't like that, but that's how it is. And then we'll make first two big circles right here. On these circles, that is the first finger. The second finger, I believe, is under that arm, like this, under that hand. The third toe is right there. The heel. And then this one is more easy compared to this. Just the 3 toes. And that hand is here, resting here somewhere. And that white goes through and goes around here. So that is quick exercise in doing the tux or the Linux the Linux company penguin. It's a cool logo, and I think that it'll be valid for a long time and appeal to all ages. That's actually a cute penguin. So please Google images of this logo and have fun practicing. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.